Cheiro que ayer una vieja, una chavala, when you dropped me off, she was talking on the phone. She's like, sí, es que se echaron todos aquí a venir al financial aid.
¡Uy! Ya te pegó este güey. Quédate aquí, quédate aquí.
Está abierto. Bájate, Chris.
I apologize. I'm sorry. I have a big unit in my truck. I couldn't see. You guys doing okay?
Yes, we're good, sir.
Wait, Metro's got it covered?
Yeah, and iPhone 13 has a dual camera system. So bye-bye, bad pics.
Ooh, my profile pics are about to be on point.
Get iPhone 13 on us when you join. Only at Metro by T-Mobile.
Walmart will help you eliminate all your errors. Like digital cameras that make amateur photos.
Current loop video is now locked. Current loop video is now locked.
Lock. 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 Lock.
After the countdown is completed. Cannot connect to the emergency services. Honda Link Assist was unable to connect to a Bluetooth phone.
Oh my God!
So, as an alternative to the impossibly high number, on February 19th, the day before Patty's 20th birthday, she's literally spending her 20th birthday in captivity.
Oh my God.
But to try to figure this out here and kind of almost compromise a little, Randolph Hearst announced the establishment of a new organization that he was going to put together.
Things I should definitely do while I'm here.
Well, it depends. Like, if you like art, art museum is great. Me and my wife and son are going on Sunday again.
Okay.
God. In hell.
Okay. All right.
River.
day I was trying to bloody avoid you. Saw you coming around and I just bloody headed that way, but...
Honk, babe, honk! He's sleeping, babe! Stop! He probably fell asleep or something.
What?
He's not paying attention. Stop honking him, you're causing trouble, honey. He probably just didn't think. He even crashed himself. We didn't do anything to him.
I know, I'm not saying we did.
Hey! Get the hell away from my house! Who the hell do you think you are? Go! I'm 21 years old. You know what? You know fucking what? You know what? Hey, this
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, Cindy.
Wow. That wasn't her. That was that guy just cutting across.